Desks are essential to getting work done. And in today's video, we're going to show you guys how we use 3D printing to organize them.
I've always had a desk organizer, but it's never really been the best. It's not really that good at organizing and it doesn't fit my setup aesthetic, so I decided to design my own. My desk organizer has 4 parts. The first part is for shorter items that are bigger, so items like rolls of scotch tape and Velcro straps. Then the second level is for thinner but taller objects, like maybe a USB flash drive or screwdrivers. And then the third level to my desk organizer is for taller but even thinner objects, so maybe something like scissors. And then the fourth level is specifically for pens and pencils.
So the next item we decided to 3D print was a replacement for my desktop pen and pencil organizer. This is my original one, and it would block the light switch to turn this lamp on and off. So instead, I created this, which is a lot slimmer, and it fits perfectly right here. And it fits all my pens and pencils. And on top of that, I like to always have chopstick on me, so I made a little slot on the corner to put my chopstick in there. And what I like the most about this print is that it's all custom to my desk. Like, I had to measure out the radius of this lamp to be able to make this special holder. And you can't really do that with mainstream products like these, which is why I prefer organizing my desk with 3D printing over normal buying things in the store.
My next item is a desk clamp for cups. Every time I use my computer, I might have a close call or I might spill a cup of water. So I designed this 3D printed solution to help fix that. I also made it look really cool and I think it fits the aesthetic of my desk really well.
Now, a final desk upgrade I made to my desk was creating an iPad stand. Now, usually when I do work, sometimes I need to use my computer, but I also need to use an iPad to look at. And it kind of got annoying by looking at my iPad just having it down on my desk like this. So instead, I created this simple iPad stand that fits the iPad perfectly and keeps it vertically so I could actually look at it and not strain my neck as I look at it.
If you guys enjoyed today's video, please consider dropping a like and subscribing. And in the comments down below, let us know of other 3D printed items you guys have made for your desk setups. We love you guys and we'll see you next week.